guys, aalis kami ni Kuya Dave. Magmamasan kami. Hoy! Magmamasan. May auto si Madam. Automatic, larga, para matapos na at makapagpahinga. Kita niyo mo Kuya Dave.
Oh, kita mo.
Ito. Ano yung mga baby boy sa likod. Ito bro. Kuha kami ng tables and chairs. Doon sa Pulumulok, South Cotabato. Hindi na ako nag-drive. Pagod na ako mag-drive. Buti na lang ba ito si Kuya Dave. Kuya Dave, shout out from Cagayan!
Hello, shout out Jensen from Cagayan.
Sinama ko na guys kasi mahirap na ako mag-drive. Pagod na yung pa ako sa clutch. Yan ang Jensen guys. Yan. Dito guys, oh, may balutan guys. Yan, balutan yan dyan. Yan. Para sa mga biyahedor na mahilig mag-barbecue at magbalot. Dyan lang kayo. Silos ay.
Grabe gini kasi lusa boss. Sinusan ganyan si Kwan gani, Turidel.
Iya ka. Customer mana? Ayan guys, dayo kami dito guys. Maglima-lima daw kami dito. Eswoteray. Dito daw namin hihintayin yung magbigay ng tables and chairs.
Nanami Pulumulok. Oo, no. Tamos din, no? Ang mga galo na mo.
Asa siya? Nasaan niya?
Isa, paggabi isa, boss.
Magabi siya. Magmamasang! Ay,
Mangita
magmamasang.
mi Kwan, mamasang.
Ala. Katay.
Mamasang gani, no? Kana tiguan ko sa imo. Mamasang gani. Susinta limit man. Oh, yan, mga BB boys, oh.
Lag sa me.
Naglabi, magkuha mi Kwan, tables and chair. Mas may pagkakay kabalo ko.
Madam Bibi, ikaw ba yan?
Mindset na mindset.
Mindset ba?
Ingon. Siya si Jai Jai. Jai, sumbagay Jai.
Ay, Jay.
Ali diri.
Wind her up, get her ready, and the lighter is what the
Dati, nagtambay sa amin. Boss, nagaliya sa kabos
Ah, fight.
Kailangan ka ba?
It's a lighter that they put on the end of that road. You just only in the Philippines.
ka kuan. Upat, tapos isa order ni Madam Bibi or isa order ni Shin. Ah, si Ate Shin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito na pong order nyo guys. Kinuha ko na guys.
Okay.
Asang Red Horse?
Guys,
Doggy.
nanamimisa guys.
Tapos, yan na lang ma'am na nakuha na nako. Upat ka bangko o sa lamesa. Okay na. Tapos siya gipadala bayad. Gcash lang niya. Sige daw.
Yes, hello. Katuloy ito.
Bigay Red Horse dia ay. Yan. Bugat.
Dili lang sir, ipit-pit na ikuha na lang ang dili makuan. Anong dili magliki.
Guys,
Saan nante?
waiter.
Anak lang. Tingkolan, okay lang.
Isa.
Hinahinay lang mo po.
Simentado man pa dito tanan. Tapos siya ni sa top down na.
Okay, kayo.
Tapos na kami sa aming transaction. Kaya ngayon is kukuha naman kami ng video key ni Madam. Ito pala yung Silway Utso guys, pulo-pulo. Ganda guys, parang transformer. Libre. Approaching naman tayo sa Jensen. Approaching Jensen. Ito naman yung route papuntang Jensen. Yan guys. Parang kulang na lang lighter guys. Yung tambutso ng bunggo is ano yan yan? May ano butas?
Yung muffler sa ilalim.
May butas yung muffler sa ilalim kaya yung usok dito nagalabas sa loob ng bunggo. So dito kami guys, watch kami ng TV.
Helmo, that's the letter.
Paw Patrol! Good morning, Boss Jean and Chico. Okay.
Huh? Putay. Putay to?
Uy, bad niyang putay.
Sorry.
Isbog diri mayumi ha.
Ini ang good. Ito.
Diri, isa, ano.
The superhero.
Nan, kita ta sa video.
Si Mayumi diri. Ito yan. Oh my goodness. Asa this? Si
Isa si Sky.
Oh, si Sky yung pink.
Ikaw si Sky. Si Mayumi, kinsa siya?
Ay! Si Mayumi Sky kan Harmon Sky. Two of you can be Sky.
Si Chico, sa
Ako, Zuma.
Azuma.
Ikaw.
Ako, sa ko diha.
Ako, Zuma. Ikaw, ano, Chase?
Sige, si Chase ko.
No! No! Wawal ka!
Ikaw man si Sky. Ay, okay na siya ni Kanata. Nagaw na kay Muning.
It's going to be a scorcher today, folks. We're looking
Ayaw lang, sirado na yung para balik siya diri.
into the evening. We're forecasting
Look, Harmon, it started! Harmony! It started! Harmon, come! It started!
Dili ka, oh.
City Radio.
It's time to off the light.
Wag na, sige Kinsa na oh?
Mother no
Mami, kinsa na si Daisy?
Mother not
Si
fair.
Daisy wala.
That's not fair. Oh, sure thing.
Off lang nato niya pag mag ano na si Mayumi. Kinsa nang driver oh? Danilo na. Ara si Daisy na si Daisy. Ara kinsa na?
Hello?
Kinsa na si GB?
There's nobody there.
What do you mean? I was just talking to her.
Dili tapad mo ni Mayumi.
Isa.
Ganyan, tapad siya. Ay, pagod mo ding. Saan mo na yung pugmo eh. Panrapok yun. Buwang.
Over there.
La. Ako na. Si Chase na.
Oh, hindi! Wait lang ka.
Ala. Sponsor.
Sky.
Okay. Pagbalik lang na siya dito eh.
That's the hamburger. Hamburger?
Pagbalik lang na siya dito. Grabe, nag-snatch siya isa ka karne.
Food. Pan.
Na guys, kiyog si Kuan man to. Si Dudong.
Hello, Paw Patrol. This is Janet from J&H Scrap. The whole place is
Ah, tawag
burning
siya
down.
pang patrol
You
team.
gotta come quick.
Nge.
Nge. Sama na oy.
The Paw Patrol!
Ah!
The Paw Patrol! Ay, ako, rider lang yan. Ay, that's
Ako
rider.
yan ah, ako yan.
Guys, pagka rider. I'm on rider.
Oh, Sky!
Oh, Sky! Oh my goodness! Sky, si Harmon. Nga!
Isa na.
Babon?
Ha?
Babon? I will stop flying. In 3, 2, boom! Oh no, Sky is going in the boat.
Pops, get ready to launch.
Now, it's... Everyone...
Hala!
There's gonna stick it.
Hala, Bob! Rescue na sila na eh.
Oh, rescue. Yeah, let's rescue. I'm gonna put it there. That's Liberty. Who wants to be here? I'm not rider. Oh, Mayumi will be Liberty. Yeah. And who will be Chase? Ako si Duma. Ako si Duma. Ay, hindi ako si
Isa na
Duma.
ako si
Ako,
Sky.
ako si Ryder. Si
Oh,
Sky.
ako si Ryder, ikaw si Zuma.
Ay.
I've got eyes on the fire.
Hermon, the fire. Oh, no.
Simon, nandito na mo?
Oh. Hermon, get cut the water sa sea. Kasi pala ron.
Water.
Ay! Ano ka? Ano ka ba?
Water, buta niya sa fire.
The entrance is blocked.
Para ma-off niya
There's
fire.
no way in.
Dali!
Pagdali! Pop!
Si Shampoo.
One! Ayan.
Dog is the Paw Patrol.
They're gonna save us. The Paw Patrol. Oh, Bruce, you're gonna love them. They're
Best
cute
thing,
little
honey.
puppies who drive around in cars. I know that sounds weird, but just go with it.
Dali!
All right.
Pagdali!
Isa to nagmotor ng orange.
Ito yung nag-orange si...
Zuma to?
Ay! Deliver me ba niyan?
Ah, delivery.
Zaman ka? Oh. And Marshall yan. The funniest guy. Ow! Ow! Bang, bang, bang. Bang.
Ah, si Ryder to. Dali! Ala, gasol!
The trailer's on fire. I'm all out of water. Oh no.
Yay!
Yay! Sky, helicopter. Tick, 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 tick. Tick. Up, 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 up. Oh. I'm right. It's helicopter.
Upper, guys, is kaya.
Wow. What's happened?
My favorite pup.
orange oh.
Let's take you out. Ay, nako, si delivery. Ay, delivery. Unsa man na ako eh. Unsa man na. Rocky?
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Asa na itong
We're
snatcher?
just glad you're okay. Hopefully there's not too much damage.
Asa champagne
Well,
dra
the good thing
ni?
is, it was all stuff to begin with.
Kani si Champagne, oh.
I was telling you about
Kato.
this is
Ay, kani si Champagne.
much for him.
Hey, let's get a picture with Bruce and the pups.
Oh, great idea.
Janet, grab the little one so she gets in the photo.
Si Champagne banana katong
Everybody say
Asa Sky? Baka Daisy.
Bro, why they're small? Chico, why they're small?
That trailer was locked from the outside. How did that happen?
Well, you're not gonna believe this, but somebody locked us up so they could steal our 10-ton electromagnet.
Oh, ini.
Who would want to steal a
Sama na yung vlog. Uy.
Sige lang ko.
Tik.
Ano pa ang kalaban eh?
Ay, naman kalaba, oh. Oh, who's that? Wait.
Itong snatcher eh. Itong nag-snatch yung car nila. Wala ko ba? Sila ito. Ganun dyan girl.
Diba? Nye. Nye.
Wala sa news.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Sam Stringer here,
Ano
reporting
nga?
live from downtown Adventure City. But we're about to
No,
see
ikaw
the
yan.
biggest show we've had in over 50 years.
That is the Chico. The great clothes.
I'm just so excited to see
Oh.
Chicolera.
Who's that?
As you can see, it's media fever out here, and everyone is
Who's
turning
that,
their
the blue
eyes
one?
to the sky.
Chico. Bra. No. That man. I want that to make the yard the sky look. Yeah. It's a pop show.
See any meteors? Oops. Sorry.
Champagne.
Come on, Rubble. You're gonna miss the meteor. You don't really expect me to watch a once-in-a-lifetime celestial event without snacks? Hey, Chase. You have a rip in your suit. I do? Yeah. Looks like you're too big for this thing already. You're all growing so fast. All of us? Even me? Not yet, Sky. You're still pretty much the same size. But it's nothing to worry about. All pups grow their own speed. And some of us never grow at all. Oh, great! You're here! Come on up! Pups, we've got company.
Oh, cellphone ako.
I'd like you to
Ah,
meet your patroller. Anna, and Tom. I invited them to watch the meteor show.
Ah, they're babies. They're kids.
Yep.
You're on the case.
I guess I
Sir,
am.
mo don't like papas, ano?
Yeah, Rubble.
Straight na to, 8 na.
No! No, no, no! I do not! Wow. Hindi siya!
Hindi siya.
Hindi ako. Hindi ako.
Why don't you guys check out the telescope?
Ayun.
Hindi ako.
Ah! Oy!
Take it easy, Papa.
Pangulog eh.
Ha?
Lubot. Ay, ate, wala wifi.
Blah.
Bra.
Bye-bye, guys.
Guys. Say guys.
internet ako putol-putol.
Tagi palongan, tagla wifi.
Tatang ka! Chikitika!
Wi-Fi. Wala na,
Ayaw.
Wala kayo rainbow!
wala na bayad ng Wi-Fi.
Ayaw nang. Basa na sa phone.
Isa fit.
Mag-blurred na.
Lindor.
Isa, magkano popcorn?
Bili!
Ina si Lola. Kulta kay Lola.
Putay! Kusay putay?
Uy,
Ako?
bad na. Patay, dili, putay.
Kuka! Putay.
Scary si Mayumi.
Tulugon ang nawong. Popcorn.